Hello everyone, good morning student and welcome back to our online mathematics class. How are you today? I hope all of you are healthy, happy and ready to learn together. For students who are new to this channel, let me introduce myself first. My name is Gusayu Kade Arejikni and today I will guide you in learning mathematics, especially about linear equation system. Before we begin the lesson, please pay close attention to the screen and listen carefully to every explanation. Because this learning video is uploaded on YouTube, all of you can also participate actively during the lesson by answering questions in the comment section below. And if there is a part of you still do not understand, you can replay the video anytime. Alright, student, let's begin today's lesson. Okay, everyone. Today we are going to study about linear equation system. A linear equation system is one of the important topic in the mathematics because it is often used in daily life. For example, linear equation can be used to calculate price, business profit, schedule, production ratio, result, and many other real situations. So, through the lesson, I hope all of you can understand the concept step by step and solve problem correctly. Please stay focused and enjoy the lesson. Before we start the material, let's first look at our learning objectives. After studying this lesson, students are expected to understand the meaning of a linear equation system, create equation system from contextual problem, solve equation using substitution and elimination method, and analyze problem involving two or three variables. So student, by the end of this lesson, I hope you can solve linear equation problem confidently and understand how mathematics can be applied in real life. Student, before we continue, have you ever learned about equation before? If yes, please write yes in the comment section below. Now let's discuss the definition of a linear equation system. A linear equation system is a collection of two or more equations that use the same variable. For example, x plus y equals 10. And another example, 2x minus y equals 4. These two equations are connected because they both use the variable x and y. The purpose is to find the value of the variable that satisfy both equations at the same time. Now, let's continue to a contextual problems. In this problem, there are two recycling companies, company X and company Y. Company X can recycle recycles 5 tons of plastic waste per day, and company Y can recycle 10 tons of plastics waste per day. Together, they recycle 70 tons of waste in 1 week, and company Y work today favor than company X. The question is, how many days does each company work? Okay, student, before solving the problem, we need to understand the information first. Let's identify the important information together. The first important information is company X recycles 5 tons per day. The second information is company Y recycles 10 tons per day. And together they recycle 70, 17 tons. Student, understanding the information carefully is the first step in solving contextual problem. You can pause the video for a moment and try to think about how to solve this problem by yourself first. Now let's determine the variable. We assume X is a number of the company X work, Y is number of the company Y works. After determining the variable, we create the equation based on the information in the problem. The first equation is 5x plus 10y equals 70. And this equation represented the total amount of recycled waste. The second equation is y equals x minus 2. This equation means company Y work today fewer than company X. Student, changing word problem into equation is very important skill in mathematics. So always read the problem carefully and determine the variables correctly. Now let's solve the equation system. There are two common methods used in solving linear equation: elimination method and substitution method. In the elimination method, we eliminate one variable to find the other variable. Meanwhile, in the substitution method, we substitute one equation into another equation. After calculating carefully, we get x equals c, and we read and sorry. Uh, After calculating carefully, we get x equals 6 and y equals 4. This means company X worked for 6 days and company Y worked for 4 days. Student, please pay attention carefully to the solving process because understanding the step is more important than only memorize the answer. Which method do you think is easier to use? Substitution methods or elimination methods? Please share your opinion in the comment section. Okay. Besides substitution and elimination methods, we can also solve equation system using graph. In the graph method, its equation is represented by a line. The solution is the intersection point between the two lines. The intersection point shows the value that satisfy both equations. For example, y equals x minus 2 and 5x plus 10, y equals 70. Student, graph methods help us understand the solution visually. So sometimes graph can make mathematics easier to understand. Do you like solving mathematics using graph? If yes, type graph methods in the comments below. Now let's continue to equation system with the three variables. In this problem, there are three companies: company V, company Q, and company R. Each company has a different recycling capacity. Company V recycles recycles 4 tons per day. Company Q recycles 5 tons per day, and company R recycles 6 tons per day. Together, they are recycle 250 tons of waste. In 1 week, company P and company R work the same number of days, while company X work 2 days fewer than company P. The question is, how many days does each company works? Students, this problem is more challenging because it's involves 3 variables. But don't worry, the solving process is still similar to the previous example. Just follow the steps carefully. Now, we define the variable. X is number of the company P word. Y is the number of this company keywords. And the last one, Z is the number of the company R words. After determining the variables, we create the equation. The first equation is 4x plus 5y plus 6z equals 350. The second equation is y equals 8 minus 2. And the third equation is x equals z. Student, remember this. The most important step in contextual problem is understanding the information correctly and creating the correct equation. If the equation is wrong, the final answer will also be wrong. So, always solve mathematics carefully and step by step. Now, let's solve the equation system using the substitution method. After calculating carefully, we get x equals 24, y equals 22, and z equals 24. This means company P work for 20, 24 days, company Q work from 22 days, and company R work from 24 days. Great job, student. Now you have learned how to solve linear equation system involving 2 variables and also 3 variables. I hope all of you can understand the lesson well. Alright, students, we have reached the end of today's online learning session. Today, we learned about the definition of linear equation system, how to create equation from contextual problem, elimination and substitution method, graph methods, and equation system with 3 variables. I hope this lesson can help you understand mathematics more easily and improve your problem solving skill. Thank you so much for watching this video from beginning until the end. If this video helped you understand the material, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to support this channel. Thank you for learning together with me today. See you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.